Sekuphume indaba enkulu kakhulu-ke ey'thinta wona-ke amakhosi kule transfer window. According to Times Live, Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch FC have reached an agreement over the transfer of winger Langelihle Phili. So-ke kuPhili-ke is one of the best wingers we have-ke manje-ke laphana kwi-PSL. Kwazile ukuthi akuprove-ke lokho-ke last season ngokuthi askore wona-ke ama-goals awu-9, even though iStellenbosch ama-Steelies-ke we-underperforming baze bafinisha khona-ke laphana ku-number 9 kwi-Betway Premiership. So-ke wonke-ke ama-teams amakhulu kwala eMzansi bemfuna-ke lo mdlali, kanti-ke kuthiwe-ke ama-Steelies-ke afune yona-ke transfer efika-ke close to 20 million. Akekho-ke bengayikhokha-ke leyo mali except maybe for iMamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwa-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs naso-ke iStellenbosch FC have reached a common ground, and-ke bakwazi-ke ukuthi banegotiate-ke yona-ke le price, and-ke amakhosi azokhokha-ke yona-ke imali encane, kodwa-ke ngaphezulu azo-eda yena-ke u-Ashley Dupree. Kuthiwa-ke lo mdlali-ke ubuyela khona-ke laphana eCape Town in the upcoming season. Lokho sekubasize kakhulu-ke cause-ke bakwazile-ke ukuthi amakhosi-ke am-ede-ke kule deal, and-ke ama-Steelies amthanda-ke because he is their former player, and-ke kuthiwa-ke le transfer isizoqhubeka-ke in the upcoming days. Amakhosi-ke asezom-announce-ke uLangelihle Phili as one of their new signings. Amakhosi-ke have signed 3 players already, and-ke they are looking to add more quality-ke kule squad sabo abanaso, as they will look to compete in the Betway Premiership in the upcoming season. So kuthiwa-ke uPhili-ke uzo-announce-ke yiwo-ke amakhosi in the upcoming days.